I'm just going to teach you the Shivananda Surya Namaskar. It's one of the most commonly practiced Surya Namaskars. So I'll just teach it to you, alright? So just bring your feet to the front of the mat and bring your hands to heart center. On the inhale, you'll lift your hands up really nice and high. And on the exhale, you'll forward fold, bringing your hands all the way to the ground. From here, plant your hands on either side of the mat, outside of the feet, and take your right leg as far back as you can and drop the knees down, right? From here, gently look up. And then on the exhale, plant your hands down, step both legs back and come into a mountain posture. Make sure the heels of the feet are coming down. And on the inhale, lengthen forwards, shoulders over your wrists, drop the knees down, engage your core muscles and bring only the chin and chest to the ground. Then thread your chest through, coming into a cobra posture, lengthening through the hands, roll the shoulders back. Again, on the exhale, curl the toes, lift up and coming back into that mountain posture. Lengthening the spine, making sure you look like an inverted V shape. Lift the right leg up again, really nice and high, and drop it straight in between the hands. Bring the left knee down, roll the shoulders back, sink in. And then again, engage your core, curl the left toes, lift the knees off, and bring the foot in front. On the inhale, rise all the way to the ceiling. And on the exhale, bring your hands to heart center.
First main thing that you got to focus on is your back. So you don't want to lose your posture and that doesn't look good, right? So roll your shoulders back and lean back. So you're not going to lie down and sleep here. So lean all the way back, and as you keep leaning back, you will feel like at one point you are going to topple and do like this, roll like this. So you don't want that to happen, right? So roll your shoulders back and slowly lean all the way back, just like this. So keeping your back strong and nice and sturdy. And from here, as you inhale, lift your legs slowly off the mat and keeping your upper body position straight right there, and slowly keep breathing normal breath here. Inhale, lift your legs all the way up. Now if you want to hold your legs like this, you could always support your arms just like this behind your thighs, and if you want to leave the arms and still hold the posture, then slowly release your arms to the sides of your body and hold the posture, not your breath. So remember to breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release and come back. So do this posture at least once a day and try to hold the posture for a longer time. So 5 breaths and then take a break, and when you take the second rep, extend up to 6 to 7 breaths and take it as long as you can hold the posture.
Bring both your legs out in front of you, pointing the toes inwards. See to that your back is straight and the spine is extended, with the chest opening, giving your body and your lungs enough space to breathe. The ribcage should have enough space for your lungs to be able to expand. As you inhale, you raise both the arms up, extending the spine further, bringing the hands in line with the ears. As you exhale, you bring the chin out and come down as low as you can. If you can, you hold your toes and bring the elbows down on either side of your feet, bringing your forehead to rest on your legs. If you can even take the arms around your feet and come down. As you raise up, you bring the hands in line with the ears. Inhale, extend the spine upwards. Exhale, bring both the hands down.
And from Sarvangasana, moving on to Halasana, you need a lot of core strength here. So just take your time, keep yourself comfortable, and without bending your legs here, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, just push your hips down and bring your legs all the way up above your head. So take your time, do not rush into the posture, keep exhaling use your core, engage your core muscles and bring your leg all the way over your head. And now your hands can get interlocked here and bring it all the way down, strengthening your shoulders here and stretching your legs all the way back. You can feel my neck muscles and my shoulder muscles getting strong here. Keep your breath really normal. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And to release the posture, just slowly bring your arms back, slowly bringing your legs back to Viparita Karni, taking your legs one by one. And to release, gently bend your knees and bring yourself down. Take it really slow and nice. And relax your legs. In Shavasana.
Perform this asana, lie down on your stomach, hold both your ankles and start to pull your ankles and lift your body up. If you look up, it'll help you go even higher. So the aim is to be on our stomach, our whole chest, everything till the point of ribs should be up in the air.